Hey ladies and gentlemen, I am JK as usual. In this video I want to share to you something so urgent. I have seen people struggling with hair loss, both hair and hairline loss, and these are the reasons why your hair is breaking and of course your hairline. I want you to listen to me carefully and so keenly because this is so vital. Hair loss is typically related to one or more of the following factors. First and foremost, family history. You can call it heredity. Second, hormonal changes and medical conditions. Third, medications and supplements. Fourth, radiation therapy to the head. I guess you get me. You are following me. Fifth, a very stressful event can also cause your hair and your hairline to break. Then sixth, these are hairstyles and treatments. Bad hairstyles and treatments cause your hair to break. This is a very short video, but just focus on those 6 points. I'll dig more about the loss of hair by hairstyles. Hairstyles are causing your hair to break because of these following reasons. First of it is tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles, most people don't know, but tight hairstyles are making your hair to break, most especially your hairline. This causes or puts a lot of stress on your hair, hence leading it to break. The other issue is too much tension on the hair shafts. Actually, those are hair shafts. Those are the strands. The strands can cause inflammation at the root and weaken strands to the point that they eventually break off. Excessive heat styling, that is frequent use of heat styling tools such as blow dryers, flat irons, and curling irons can damage the hair and cause breakage. Of course, the other issue is overwashing is also not so good. Hair bleaching, dirty, and nutrition. Allow me to end here for today. That is a summary of causes of hair breakage and hairline loss. The next video I'm gonna show you how to solve that. The solution is all the remedies to hair and hairline losses. I wish you well, I thank you, and I wish you a happy new year as you grow your hair again. I love you so much.